Namaste. Welcome in maths class. And today it is the first period for the topic laws of indices. Here we learn about laws of indices and it's used to simplify the problems. Okay, find the values. Okay, will be taught here. Let's start with the first slide, and it goes like this. And it will be very useful for grade 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on also, okay, because it started from the very beginning, from the introduction. Okay, now here in this one, look here, 5a to the power n. This 5 is known as coefficient, this a is base, and this n is exponent. Index, you can tell power also. Okay, and here look at laws of indices. First law is product law of indices. It says that when the terms having the same base, okay, are multiplied, the exponents or indices at power are added. Look here, for example, 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. This is 5 square and 5 cube. Look, both have same base, and if I am multiplying them, they write only one base 5, and their power will be added 2 plus 3. That will be 5. 5 to the power 5. Similar, next example, look here, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Write only one base, and the power will be added while multiplying. 3 to the power 5. Similarly, 7 square into 7 power 5 equals to 7 to the power 2 plus 5. Power is added, then 7 to the power 7. And that means similarly, a to the power m into a to the power n. This look at base same a, then power will be added m plus n. Okay, this is known as product law of indices. Quotient law of indices, look here. Product law of indices after quotient law. In quotient law, it is related to division. Okay, and here it states that when the terms having same base, okay, are divided, the base remains the same and the exponent of the divisor is subtracted from the exponents of the dividend. Okay, for example, okay, 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 3, write only one base. They must have same base, right? Only one base, and power should be subtracted. 5 minus 3, this will be 5 square. So look at 3 square divided by 3 cube, then 3 to the power 2 minus 3, then 2 to the power minus 1. And 7 to the power 12 and divided by 7 to the power 5 equals to 7 to the power 12 minus 5, that means 7 to the power 7. Similarly, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay, this is known as the quotient law of indices. Let's move to the next slide. This is the power of products. Power of products. And according to this one, look here, inside the bracket, look here, 5 into 4 and its whole power 2. Then this power 2 is the power of 5 and 4 both. And when you remove this bracket, you will have 5 square into 4 square. Similarly here, 3 into 4, 3 multiplied by 4 whole to the power 5. It means This 5 is the power of 3 also and 4 also. Then you can write this one. When you remove the bracket, 3 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5. Thus, a into b to the power m means a to the power m into b to the power m. And also look here, ab. ab means here is also multiply sign. A to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, when you remove the bracket, it will be the power of both a and b. Now there is next one, power of quotient. Okay, I repeat, power of quotient. According to this one, look here, 2 by 3 has power 3. Okay, then when we remove the bracket, it will be the power of 2 also, and it will be the power of 3 also. Then similarly, look at next example, 3 by 5 to the power 5, then it is the power of 3 power 5 and 5 to the power 5. According to this, a by b to the whole power n, that means a to the power m divided by a to the power, so this is b to the power m, okay. This is the power of a to the power m and by b to the power m. And power law of indices. Power law of indices means, what is its meaning? Power law of indices. According to this law, to find the power of the power with the same base, the powers are multiplied together. Okay, 2 have power inside 2 and its whole power 2. In such case, base will be remaining same and these powers will be multiplied. Okay, 2 square whole power 3, then 2 and this whole power 3 will be multiplied. 4, this 2 power 4 whole power 3, that 4 into 3. Similarly, 2 power m whole power n, that 2 whole power m into n. And when a to the power m, this power m and this whole power n will be multiplied, then it will be a to the power m into n, which is known as power law of indices. Now, law of zero index. Law of zero index, it states that if the index of any number or variable, okay, except 0, that base must not be 0, okay, that base must be except 0, is 0, then its value is equal to 1. For example, 2 power 1 divided 2 power 1. Look here, and this means what? 2 divided by 2 means what? Actual or general division, when you divide 2 by 2, what will be? 1. But another laws of indices, look here, when you divide, then we have to subtract the power. Look, it's power 1, it's power 1, then subtract the power 1 minus 1 to power 0. Look, question is same, answer has come here 1, here is 2 power 0. To make the answer equal, then it's 2 power 0 also 1. That's why 2 power 0 is 1. Similarly, 5 to the power 2 divided 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 minus 2, then 5 power 0, and its value also will be 1. Similarly, a square divided by a square, then a to the power 2 minus 2, then a power 0, that means 1. It means a to the power 0 means 1. Okay, like this, if the any variable and number has 0 power except 0 base, okay, then its value will be 1. A to the power 0 means 1. Similarly, y to the power 0 also 1. Here are the some examples. Okay, this exercise is one. What is the question? Okay, first read the question. Write down the following products in the exponential form. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then all have, look, power 1. Then write only one base. All the bases are same. The power will be added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. They are altogether 5. Then 3 to the power 5 is the answer in the exponent form. Same, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. They are altogether 6, minus 7. Then write minus 7 to the power, all power add, then it will be minus 7 to the power. We have to put a compulsory bracket because there is negative sign, okay? If you don't put negative, this one bracket one, then it will be wrong. Because this 6 is the power of minus 7, not only 7. Similarly, minus a to the power n equals to a to the power n. What does it mean? Look here, when this whole power is even number. When even number is power of the negative base, okay, then it will give always positive value, okay. Then if minus base, look here, has odd number power, okay, then it will give always negative value. I repeat it, if negative value has even power, then its value will come always in positive. If negative base have odd power, then its value will be always in negative. You have to keep in mind this, okay, carefully, okay. Remember this value. This is very, very important thing. Look here, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. How many 1.5? There are 4. Then 4 power added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then 1.5 power 4 is the answer. Similarly, next is also there. 3x to the power 1, 3x to the power 1, 3x to the power 1. Here also compulsory to put this 3x in bracket. And 3x, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, this was 5. Then 3x to the power 5. Don't forget to put this 3x in bracket, okay, because 3x is repeated 5 times. Here minus 5 by 6 is repeated how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 minus 5 by 6 to the power 5 will be there. Y by 2 is repeated 6 times. Then it's all have one base, then all added, then it will be y by 2 to the power. So here also don't forget to put y by 2 in bracket. Now here find the following products in the exponential form, means we have to write in power form. 4 to the power 3 and 4 to the power 2 both have same base, right? 4 only one base and power is added 3 plus 2, 4 to the power 5. Similarly here 7 to the power 5 into 7 to the power minus 3. Base have same. If you are going to multiply, power will be added 5 plus and minus 3 here. When you remove the bracket, plus into minus 3, then 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 square will be the answer. Next one, look here, 8. 8 means what? 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2, how many power? 1, 1, 1. Then 2 power 3. Then here inside 4 means what? 3 into 2 and whole power 3 and into 2 power 4. Our aim should be to make all the bases same. If bases same, then only it becomes easier to apply the laws of indices. That's why we have to make the bases same. Then 2 power 3, then 2 power, this 2 3 is 6. Okay, power and whole power is multiplied. Then 2 power 4, then all the bases are same, then we can multiply them easily, keeping the only one base, and power will be added. 3 plus 6 plus 4, then it will be 9 plus 4 means 13. 2 power 13 is the answer. Here similarly you can simplify. 8 to the power 6 plus 9 plus this minus 8. All the powers should be added, and plus minus minus 15. 9 plus 6, 15 minus 8 means 7. 8 to the power 7 is the answer. Similar here, 2p whole power 4, 2p whole power minus 7, and 2p whole power 6. And 2p whole power 4 plus minus 7 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 2p whole power 3 is the answer. Okay, here this is the class 1 answer, okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Look here, m by n power 5, m by n power minus 6, m by n power 4. Then you have to write only one m by n. Then all the powers will be added. Then 5 plus 4, 9, 9 minus 6, it will be 3. M by n power 3 is the answer. This don't forget to put in bracket. Find the quotient in the following exponent of the form. Look, when you divide, we know that if the same basis, we have to subtract the power. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 is square. And 5 cube divided 5 minus 5 to the power minus 2. 5, this power should be subtracted. 3 minus, and here is negative sign put in bracket. This minus minus, open the bracket, and it will be plus, multiply. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 to the power 5 is the answer. And similarly here, these are the, look, similar one, division on x to the power n divided by x to the power 7. And we have to subtract the power 9 minus 7. Okay, 2, x square is the answer. Here also z to the power 10 divided by z to the power minus 3. When it goes up, minus minus it will be plus 10 plus 3, the z to the power 13 is the answer. 5a whole power 6, 5a whole power 4 divided 5a whole power 6 minus 4, then it will be 5a whole power 2. Then it will be, next one look here, 4 cube divided by 2 power 5. Then as I told you, we should try to convert them into similar base, same base, okay, not similar, same base. Then only we can apply the laws of indices. It will be 2 power, what will be there, 2 square, then 2 into 2 means 2 square, 2, 3s are 6, 2 power 6, and then this is divided, that's why we have to subtract the power. 6 minus 5 means 1, 2 power 1 means 1, this one 2, 2 to the power 1 means it's 2 only, okay. Here 27 to the power 4 divided by 9 to the power 5, then 27 means 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 power 4, then 3 4 that 12, then here 3 into 3, 9 means that 3 square, that means 2 power, this again whole power 5, then 2 5 the 10, then this divide and subtract, then 12 divided minus 10 means 2, 3 square, this is the answer. Similarly here 8 we have to make it 2 cube, 2 cube means this 8, 3 4 the 12, then we have to subtract the power. It is negative 2 into 5 minus 10, then 12 minus minus 10. Division means we have to subtract the power. 12 plus 10 means it's 22. 2 to the power 22 is the answer. Similarly here 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. We can leave the answer negative, but later on you learn about this negative one, index one. To convert into positive, we can apply then that rule also here, okay. 5 b to the power 5 minus 9, that means 4. B to the power minus 4 is the answer. Here 2x power 6 divided by 2x power 11. 6 minus 11 means minus 5. 3x to the power minus 5 is the answer. And these are the assignment as we have done similar question in our class work, okay. Here in 27 you can add 3 cube, okay. In 9 you can add 3 square to make the power. Here in 81 means 3 to the power 4 you have to add. In 9 means 3 square you can add. Then all the bases will be same. Then you can apply the laws of indices. You can do this all the question easily. 2 by 3 whole power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 you have to do. A power 1 plus 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 1. Okay, then answer will come a to the power. Okay, so power that add answer will come. Okay, it's a safe, healthy and happy. I hope you have understood all. In case of difficulties, you can watch the video again and again and make your understanding easier. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated of new videos. Okay, once again thank you very much.